Well, got another F150 inner wheel end, crapped out. Hub actuator making a bunch of noise. It's holding vacuum okay, but we seem to have a rash of these, and I've been using these Dorman. As you can see, I'm stocked up on them. This is just for today, folks. Dorman inner wheel end hubs, selling them like hotcakes. Oh yeah. They seem to work pretty good. I've had the OE fail at 30,000 miles, so these seem to hold up pretty good. I do have one that's questionable that I've done before, but we'll get around to that one. But basically, in that, who knows, you can put them in crooked and torque them down and break them anyway. So also these power stop rotors, kind of the only thing I found that work real good on these F-150s. They're not the end-all solution. It's a very under-designed braking system, but I'm finding that if I put OE pads on it and these Evolution power stops, drilled and slotted racing rotors, that I can get a few miles out of them. We got a lot of hills to deal with up here locally, so some people living on the hillside in town going through rotors like nobody's business. But check these out, power stop. I think you can find them around on online shopping outfits and other places. My local parts supplier stocking them. And these Dorman hubs, inner wheel end actuators, 4x actuator, are, well, actually I bought the last they had in town, but I'm sure they'll be stocking up again soon. All right, well, time to get back at it. Thought I'd give you some information might be helpful, but I appreciate you coming by and checking it out. Have a great day.